Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Prep to Perfection Grade 12 Maths class. Just a quick reminder, if you boost your marks, you stand a chance to win 5,000 Rand. How amazing. Simply click the link down below to enter the competition. I'll now hand you over to your tutor, Camilla.
In this video, we'll be looking at exponential functions. An exponential function is a function of the form f(x) is equal to ab to the power of x, where a is the initial value that cannot equal 0, b is the base, which is greater than 0 and cannot equal 1, and x is the exponent. If b is greater than 1, then the function increases. If b is greater than 0 but less than 1, the function decreases. Our domain is negative infinity to infinity. Our range is 0 to infinity if a is greater than 0, and infinity to 0 if a is less than 0. When b is less than or equal to 0, it's not defined. Sketch the exponential function 3 to the power of x minus 2 plus 1. The base is 3, so we say the graph is increasing. The exponent x minus 2 shifts the graph right by 2 units, and plus 1 shifts it up by 1 unit. Horizontal asymptote, normally y equals 0, but however, the plus 1 shifts it to y equals 1. The domain is still all real numbers, and the range is 1 to infinity, always greater than 1. Now we just have to plug our details in. So our asymptote is 1. And we just draw our graph increasing. If we are given x equals b to the power of y and we want to determine what y is, we make y the subject of the function and we let the base remain the base and x be the exponent, so it would be y equals log b to the power of x. Here are some logarithmic laws and laws of logarithms for you to remember. On the same axis, draw the graph f(x) is equal to 2 to the power of x and its inverse. Its inverse will be the logarithm of 2 to the power of x. Determine the properties for each individual graph. For f(x), the domain is all real numbers and the range is 0 to infinity. For the inverse, the domain is 0 to infinity and the range is all real numbers. If x passes through 0 and 1, and the inverse passes to 1 and 0. The asymptote for f(x) is the horizontal asymptote is equal to y equals 0, and for the inverse, x equals 0. The graphs are mirror images across the y equal x axis. From all this information, we simply draw our important values and then draw our graphs, making sure they are mirror images of each other. Summaries of all the functions we've done so far. So the formula for a straight line is y equals ax plus q, and the inverse is y equals x over a minus q over a. And we can sketch it. The light blue line is to show y equals ax plus q, and it's increasing because a is positive. The darker blue line shows the inverse. Now if we were to say a is less than 0, we'll see that the line decreases. Quadratic function is y equals ax to the power of 2, and the inverse is y equals plus minus x over a square rooted. If a is positive or greater than 0, it curves upwards with a smiley face type of shape. If a is less than 0, it curves downwards. Now to draw the inverse, remember the inverse is not a function and we'll have to restrict the domains. Exponential functions, the formula is y equals b to the power of x, and the inverse is the logarithm log b to the power of x. When b is greater than 1, our graph is increasing and we say that our asymptote is y equals 0. If b is greater than 0 but less than 1, our graph is decreasing and here our asymptote is still y equals 0. Now we just draw the inverse.
Alright everyone, that's it for today. But don't forget to keep practicing so that you stand a chance to win 5,000 Rand. Click the link down below to enter the competition and we'll see you in the next class.